At some point, you may need to know the source of your water on your property. Unless you're on a well, you're probably on city or county water, and in that case, you're going to be getting your water through a water meter. In this video, we're going to talk about the water meter. In this video, we'll look at the proper terminologies for those doohickeys in your sprinkler system. I've had a good chuckle over the years listening to people's jargon for the various parts of their landscape irrigation system. Don't get me wrong, I'm not laughing at folks, I'm just laughing. I mean, it's understandably and justifiably not people's priority in life to have all these parts named correctly, since they don't interact with them on a daily basis like I do. But it does help you and I communicate properly when we're discussing your needs. For example, I've heard folks refer to valves instead of calling them sprinkler heads and vice versa. In these lessons, we'll be going over what is a controller, a rotor, nozzle, an impact, adjustable emitter, shrub body, etc., and why you should know them. I'll be calling on the spirit of Samuel Clemens, aka Mark Twain, to assist me in making this entertaining. Lesson 1, the water meter. The water is supplied to your property through a meter box at your property line. The water district's responsibility stops at and includes the meter shutoff on your side of the meter. You should purchase a meter key at one of the local irrigation supplies or home center or hardware store to turn off your shutoff valve in the event of a water emergency on your property. They cost about $10 to $15. Otherwise, someday the neighbors may think you're attempting to recreate Old Faithful to one-up them on their front yard water feature. A meter key is a long T-shaped tool that is much easier to use than attempting to use a pair of pliers in that black widow infested box. Side note, don't fear the widow that is lurking there. Just remove the lid, find the spider, watch it move out of the way or move it yourself with the water meter key, then shut off the water. Most water meter valves need a full 360-degree turn. Laws are spider webs through which the big flies pass and the little ones get caught. And I am not about to try to pronounce that name. I'll get in trouble. Open your meter box periodically throughout the year to be sure that it's clear for the water meter reader. Most meter boxes I've opened in the last years have been partially or completely full of dirt that the gophers have pushed in and have thus covered the meter. It's your guess how the meter is getting read each month. X-ray glasses? Here's a great idea. Check your meter. If it's covered with dirt or the meter is otherwise unreadable, look on your water bill for the next reading date and peek out your window that day to watch for the meter reader. If he doesn't resolve the problem to properly read the meter, call Granny Clampett. She'll know how to cook his kettle. As Mark Twain said, get your facts first, and then you can distort them as much as you please. Check back again for installment number 2 of Anatomy 101, the sprinkler systems.